Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video of Sketchup. In this video, I will discuss with you about two important topics. The first one is selecting tools and second one is inference locking. So inference locking is the best and most workable tools, and also we should know about selecting tools. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'll just open Sketchup. Suppose they have something that I have created, right? Now first of all, this is the selecting tools. Okay, I mean select tools. This is the select tools. Now what will do actually? Okay, first of all, if you want to select any line, a single line, then you have to carefully click on that single line. So see here, a line have been selected, right? A line have been selected, and then you can do anything with that line. Now if you want to select an interface, simply you have to click here, and if you want to deselect, then simply select any free place, right? After that, here suppose you need to select some multiple text and you have to work with some multiple text, then what will do actually? Simple press Ctrl. Okay, press Ctrl and then select here, then select here, then select here, like that. You can select that, but the one thing is, if you select here, and if you select here, that will be select, but the previous one will be unselected. Okay, so here select, unselect, select, unselect, so like that, right? Now if you suppose, if you see something from here, if you need to do work with that on, that on, that on, and if you need to deselect that, then simply you can click any of it, like that. But if you use Control option, then you are not able to deselect, right? You will be able to select any of your point from here, but you will not be able to deselect. But if we use Shift, then you are seeing that they have two options, right? They have two options. The first one is plus minus, that means click, 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 click. But if you select here, it will be deselect, like that, right? Now if you click here, wall will be deselect. Now the question is, if you need to select wall, then what will do? They have two options. Simply you can select from that direction, okay, then click here. You can also select from that direction, and also you can press Ctrl A to select all of your things that are available in that interface. You can use that option like that. So actually that is the way to use our selecting tools perfectly, right? And actually when we work, then we select here like that, but sometimes we forget that how we'll deselect, and mistakenly, suppose mistakenly I'm using Control, and suppose I have just forgotten about that, how I'll deselect one of it. I need to deselect that, then how I'll do actually, if I click here, wall will be deselect except that. So what I'll do actually, suppose I have selected many of that part, then what I'll do actually, Shift, then click here. Just see here, the required option are deselecting. Sorry, actually in this way you will be able to use that selecting tools perfectly, right? So thank you very much, and in our next lecture I will just show that how we'll use inference locking tools. Okay, actually that is a good and important tools in Sketchup. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video, and if you think that video is helpful for you and you have learned something new from here, then please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first.